Sorry, get over here.
One side and he dead, and the hoe he wish he had.
You're a good man, Arthur Morgan. Good man.
I'm with the fam, passenger in your car. You what you need, mixing it don't pop. She's gonna be dead, I just gotta make it work. We in front of me together.
Hey Kevin, how many points you gonna drop tonight?
KD, this kid's been waiting for you right here.
Hey, you going for 50?
On this big
Hey, I bet you can't get 81 like Kobe.
How much dick ride you with?
I cut off the leash till that boy that kill us. I get your bitch favorite song on TikTok. I'm in your house posted with a big club. I got a shooter, he looking like Baby Santana. He kinda little with some dreadlocks. Blood 19 with a beam at your head top. Full of the AK-47 aiming at you, that's a dead off.
As the Shiesty sorcerer finally opened his domain, Malevolent Drill, the king of curses had no choice but to open his. Sukuna was in awe as his malevolent shrine crumbled within seconds. Intrigued in his power and drip, Sukuna asked him, "What do you truly desire?" The Shiesty sorcerer pulled down his mask, then stated, "I want you to run your shit."
On the road with his chops, still moving too high in the pose. Like, hey, you don't listen. Like, bitch, I'm get back gang, not sit back gang. Like, no, nigga, you better listen. If they see you, but they...
Alright, let's hear it. What's Raph doing?
No one really knows. He just sleeps all day.
Well, what's he do all night?
Since you left, my video game scores have like doubled.
Right. And while you've been playing games, little brother, this Night Watcher character's come into the neighborhood like some kind of vigilante showboat. But his days are done.
Hey, you went AWOL, Leo. And the Night Watcher was the only guy to pick up the slack. Crime never took a break. You did.
I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Do about some pills, I don't trust my own body. You would take a shot, but you took her to Chrome Palace. It only took me one car, got a dome man. Just hit this hoe, her boyfriend put me for a show ride.
On the 6th hour of being hung on the cross, Jesus took his final breath, for he paid for our sins with death. But on the 3rd day, he rose once again, for not even death can defy him.
They won't get up out my way, I run them. I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Do about some pills, I don't trust my own body. You would take a shot, but you took her to Chrome Palace. It only took me one car, got a dome man. You're old, you're predictable, and you never stood a chance.
You know, Joker used to be real good at hurting people with words. But you, even when you're evil, you're still too good. You had a good run, Brucey. Flying around Gotham, punching bad guys, cleaning up the streets, causing long-term mental and emotional damage to everyone you knew. It's our turn now. After all we've been through, but you didn't think it'd be me at the end, huh, man?
Go to hell.
I roll up an L in the lobby, my partner Scott Watson. It's probably a Glock or a Tommy. From H to the E, double hockey sticks. Keep a chopper choppy if you try me, bitch. Let's see who next on my homie list. Cardi like Rocky, you body this. Live my prerogative, shit on them, that's on my body list. Accused of being bougie by a snobby bitch. House on the...
Zombies. Gentlemen, at times like these, our capacity to retaliate must be and has to be massive to deter all forms of aggression. Lock and load.
I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Do about some pills, I don't trust my own body. You would take a shot and you took her to Chrome Palace. It only took me one car, got a dome man. Just hit this hoe, her boyfriend put me.
Stark says you say that.
I should be losing my mind, yeah. Bitch, be selling me lies. She tryna tell me what's up,
the king. Rise on her life, me and my bitch. Yelling my twins. Upside, yeah, my pants. Spice all on my hand. I pop me a perk, I pop me a Zan. I'm going.
Not leaving, are you, Jake? Knowing I'm out there, knowing that I'll never stop, I'm coming for you. When I do, I'll kill your whole family.
That motherfucking feeling. I'm in a motherfucking cat. Like how the fuck you think you catching me? I'm high and I play with a cat.
You already lost one kid today. You really want to lose another? You must not test me.
OD in the telly. Tiger blue go to the.
No, Crank made this shit.
Got big teeth.
So
if I don't want that, he's I'm on the ass of it, booty. Anything when we gon' show this. Quite can't look like a cool. Bitch, gon' aim on my door. I should not find that color. Don't go for what's Victoria.
Fuck by the feet in the bitch, sucking the bleed. Burn on the streets, burn on your motherfucking bliss. They barely hear what I'm saying, but I gotta tell you and get to their brain. How about a roll like that taller, and how about the AB that makes me the face? Heard you won't believe your race. I got a motherfucking years. I'm booting up, I live in space.
I thought myself the instrument of God, not the tool of man.
You made the right decision, Michael. I do no one's bidding but God's. The Order must answer for what they have done to me.
You know, if you ask Kristen out from statistics, she'll probably say yes.
Why don't ask?
Too shy or too scared?
Too busy. Is he wearing a parachute?
No. No, he wasn't. Before we get started, does anyone want to get out?
I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Threw up by some pills, I don't trust my own body. You would take a shot and you took her to Chrome Palace. It only took me one car, got a dome man. Just hit this hoe, a boyfriend put me for a show.
Here.
40 on my wrist, 39 on my bitch, yeah. Pulling up into the beat. I got my head on my blick, yeah, free slime. Got it Philippe if I wanted it mine. Bugatti, yeah, that bit one of a kind. Tell a free rich junkie off the line.
He's my benefactor, technically. But then, he's been that for a lot of other people too.
Honestly, though, I don't really know him all that well. But one thing I know he is for sure. An idiot.
Major idiot. Yeah, man. But still, he's flippant, egotistical. And it goes without saying, he's the strongest! Hey there. It's been a while, huh? Are you for real?
I'll be dead. Whole lot of hoes, whole lot of niggas. Yeah, whole lot of clothes, nigga be smelling my sweat. Whole lot of emeralds, please tuck your beginnings. Yeah, whole lot of red rubies on my neck.
You're so right.
Came with the kid, the brick came with the bitch. I can teach you how to fix. The Drake boy came with a bitch. Condo came with a bitch. My new bitch, she came with some niggas. Man, you boy ain't believe it. So I pulled up and my niggas was switching. Man, you boy ain't believe it. They thought.
Greg, Heffley. Would you be related to Roderick Heffley?
I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Do it by some pills, I don't trust my own body. You would take a shopping, you took her to Chrome Palace. It only took me one car, got a dome man.
Tell me his name again.
Thanos. He's a plague, honey. He invades planets, he takes what he wants, he wipes out half the population. He sent Loki. The attack on New York. That's him.
What's our timeline?
No telling. He has the power in space stones. That already makes him the strongest creature in the whole universe. If he gets his hands on all 6 stones, Tony.
Destroy life, scale, hitherto unprintable.
Mexico.
Now I'll show you.
Would you rather be a Super Saiyan or would you rather free us?
I drove the perk in my walk, but you busy. Perky hit hard like a 808 sizzle. Fucking they be from the top to that middle. They cool by that bag, I ride my that bitch spin. I pull up, I get high, I get go. Yeah, bitch, I been sipping on juice like that bitch a beetle. Yeah. I'm riding in a belly with that legacy. Yeah, they say that they fresh, but they just like me. Yeah, I know I've been like this since I was 17. Whoa, you were trying to take my spot and I had gold. I'm a diamond plug, yeah, love for the soul. I just like the style, cause he loves it high and cold. Riding in the car with the play that high and cold.
Stay back.
You guys were knocked out of the tuning exam. What are you doing here? I usually don't like to do what Kakashi says.
He's that guy.
But I have to agree this is a perfect chance to test my jutsu.
Sasuke Uchiha.
I assume you remember our last physical encounter.
Painfully. But I told you then, I don't look the other way.
Woke up to a break, woke up to a break. Woke up to a bed, woke up to a bed.
Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Drop your weapons.
To warn you. I really did try, in my own way. He knows that you're looking for him.
Who? Listen. You need to tell me who he is.
His name is William.
front of me, bro. Forgot your legs don't fucking move. I can't stop.
Shit on this beat, part of me. I just went quick on my feet. I'm on it. She like hit from the back and go deep and go. I'm on it. She on it. We on it.
What kind of animal are you?
What?
Rich. In my head, he said, bitch, show me this shit got me mad. I'm black, man, I'm blessed. I got black fed on my ass.
No, baby, the only crime here is that you and I have gone out on a night.
She got twin tools, why the fuck you think I'm coming? Doing nothing, drinking on some beer in the crib. Mama count this money, make that reappear. 100 pennies, racking fingers, money counters, all I hear. Give me hands on top of bed and get your ass up out of here. I'm so high.
This power has been passed on from hero to hero, each praying that it will bring joy and peace to humanity. And now it is your turn. Do your best, Toshimo.
Now it's your turn.
Yeah, pass that by to me. You know it's my turn. Pass that time on me. Pass that time on me.
Which means now it's your turn.
Pass that drink to me. I'm thinking. Pass that cut to me. Yeah, pass that cut to me. I'm feeling.
Someday, you too will die.
Sure. But you should have died in birth.
I took the perk in my walk, but you busy. Perky hit hard like a 808 scissor. Fucking that beat from the top to that middle. That cool by that bag, I rhyme out that bitch spit. I pull up, I get high,